All right, so here's how the Millers get down, Keaton travel style. Hey, babe. This is our junior suite. You dig? Yes, sir. What up? Birthday behavior finna be in full effect. Not full, but full effect. Yeah, come on in here in the sauna, you dig? With the shower. Got the rainfall. You know what I'm saying? Not one, but two. You dig? Holla back. This tub, man. You know I'm gonna be in there. I'm gonna be in there. In there. Swimwear in there. Got the flat screen, you dig? On the wall. Gotta have a king for a king, you know. Birthday behavior. Dig, got a little sitting area. KeyDownTravel.com. Book you the same thing. Now, we're gonna step on up. I think I always have an issue with these damn patio doors. Now what in the hell? Okay, I'm gonna get it open in a minute here. See, my knees. There we go. I could do it, put my muscle into it. And we got the little sitting chairs out here. Now those that know me know I'm scared of heights. And yeah. We up here. We up here. I ain't going no closer to the edge. So if you can't see, then I'll book it for you and then you can see for yourself. You dig? But it's beautiful out here. Beautiful. Jamaica, Montego Bay, baby. Birthday celebration 2021. Another chapter. 2 more days. You dig? October 5th is what it is. And you just look at the room from far back. Man, that's beautiful. 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 Oh yeah, ocean view. You dig? They got those horses out down there. Oh, they doing swimming with the horses. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to try that. I'm trying everything. You only live once. You dig?